If your Excel chart has too many numbers, too many colors, and still doesn't make sense, you're not alone. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to turn messy sales data into a clean, professional chart with percentages that actually help people understand the story. Okay, let's dive in. Let's start by preparing your data the right way. First, press Ctrl+A to select your entire dataset, then press Ctrl+T, and click OK. This converts your data into a structured Excel table, which means as your data grows, your reports and charts will update automatically. No manual fixes later. Now, go to Insert, select Pivot Table, choose New Worksheet, and click OK. Rename the sheet to Pivot Table. Let's build a quick summary. Drag state into the rows area. Drag total sales into values. Then drag total sales into values one more time. You'll now see two columns showing total sales, and this is exactly what we want. Now we turn raw numbers into meaningful insight. Click any value in the second sales column, right-click, go to Show Values As, and select % of grand total. Suddenly, your data tells a much clearer story. You're no longer just seeing numbers, you're seeing contribution. Which state is actually driving the most revenue? Now rename this column to % of total sales for clarity. Finally, sort your data from smallest to largest. This makes patterns easier to spot, and your chart much more impactful. Format the sales value as currency. Just right-click, then Value Field Setting, Number Format, choose your currency, and hit OK. Let's turn this pivot table into a chart that actually communicates something clearly. Select anywhere inside your pivot table, then go to Insert, Next Charts. Here's where most people go wrong. They pick a chart that looks fancy, but doesn't fit the data. For this data set, choose a clustered column chart, because it gives a clean, side-by-side comparison of performance across regions. Simple, clear, and effective. Now let's refine it. This is where your chart starts to look professional. Your goal here is not to add more, but to remove distractions. Click on the chart, and hide all pivot chart buttons. Click the plus icon, remove grid lines, remove the legend, and add data labels. Remove the horizontal axis. Every element on your chart should have a purpose. If it doesn't, remove it. Then right-click on the labels, format data labels, keep only value checked, and uncheck everything else. Set position to inside end. Now here comes the advanced part, and this is what separates average charts from professional ones. Excel doesn't naturally combine two types of values like sales and percentages into a single clean visual. So we use a smart workaround. Click on the % of total sales series, right-click, format data series, and set series overlap to 100%. Adjust gap width to around 50%. Now sales values displayed prominently, percentages embedded within the same columns. Now let's give this chart a polished, presentation-ready look. Start by improving readability. Click on your data labels, then change the font color to white. This creates strong contrast and makes the numbers stand out clearly against the columns. Next, click on any column in your chart. Right-click, and format data series. Go to Fill, and choose a clean, professional color. Something like a dark blue works really well for business reports. No extra clutter, and no confusing duplicate bars. This technique allows you to present both absolute and relative performance in one clean visual. Now let's add a subtle design element to elevate the entire visual. Go to Insert, then Shapes, and choose Rounded Rectangle. Draw the shape around your chart area. Then set Fill to white. Add a subtle outline like black or light gray. Apply a soft shape effect. Finally, right-click the shape, and select Send to Back. Let's add chart title. Click on the chart title, and update it to something clear and meaningful: Sales Contribution by Employee. Right-click on the chart, then go to Format Chart area and set border to no line. Now let's lock this design in place. Hold down Ctrl, then click to select both the chart and the background shape. Right-click and choose Group. This turns your chart into a single, clean visual element, making it easier to move, resize, or place inside a dashboard without breaking your design. And just like that, your chart doesn't just display data, it presents a story in a way that's clear, focused, and visually appealing. If this helped you, like the video, share it, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for smarter Excel tips every week. Thanks for watching.